Have you and your ideas ever been neglected by your boss or company? Have you ever thought about eliminating the decision-making power driven by an individual? DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization, is a solution for these problems. Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Market, where we cover everything about crypto. This video is so important for the number of reasons. First, you will learn about the structure and operation of the new generation of decentralized organizations. Second, you get familiar with the biggest DAO projects. Inspired by the decentralization of cryptocurrencies, the first DAO was launched on April 30th, 2016 on Ethereum network by a group of developers. The idea behind DAO was simple. Introduce a new decentralized business model where decisions are made collectively without a centralized governing body. Decision-making is a bottom-up approach, governed by a community organized around a specific set of rules enforced on a blockchain. If you want to know about blockchain, watch our video about it. Typically, a DAO launch occurs in three major steps: smart contract creation. First, a developer or a group of developers must create the smart contract behind the DAO. Smart contracts are deployed on numerous blockchains. These smart contracts lay out the foundational framework by which the DAO is to operate. They are highly visible, verifiable, and publicly auditable, so any potential member can fully understand how the protocol functions at every step. After launch, they can only change the rules set by these contracts through the governance system. That means they must extensively test the contracts to ensure they don't overlook important details. If you're interested in what smart contracts are, watch our video about it. When these rules are formally written onto the blockchain, the next step is funding. The DAO needs to figure out how to receive funding and how to bestow governance. This is typically achieved through token issuance, by which the protocol sells tokens to raise funds and fill the DAO treasury. In return for their fiat, token holders are given certain voting rights, usually proportional to their holdings. When funding is completed, the DAO is ready for deployment. Here are the top 5 DAO tokens. Uniswap is one of the biggest and the most popular DAOs, which operates as a cryptocurrency exchange built on the Ethereum blockchain. Aave is a very popular example of DeFi protocol, allowing people to borrow and lend crypto. Another top mention in a DAO tokens list would obviously refer to Marker. It focuses on introducing real-world assets into the crypto domain. As a matter of fact, the DAO Marker token aims to evolve into the largest central bank for DeFi. Curve DAO is a special decentralized exchange just for stable coins that also utilizes automated market maker for managing liquidity. Dash is another example of how the best DAO project can become a driving factor for future of DeFi. It is a decentralized digital payment project focused on offering faster transactions in comparison to Bitcoin. Final step. When everything is set up, the DAO needs to be deployed on the blockchain. From that point on, stakeholders decide on the future of the organization. The organization's creators, those who wrote the smart contracts, no longer influence the project anymore than other stakeholders. A DAO can raise a lot of money quickly, and its members decide what to do with that money by voting. No bank is necessary. For example, Ukraine DAO quickly raised money to assist Ukraine after the Russian invasion. Generally, a DAO falls into categories like protocols, philanthropy, publishing, social media, and others. But the possibilities are endless. Let's look at a few specific projects. DAO House is a no-code platform for launching and running DAOs. It is owned and operated by the community. This member-owned digital employment cooperative offers benefits and shared services for the independent worker. Metaverse DAO provides a unique farm-as-a-service approach and earns crypto rewards from an array of blockchain networks while maintaining a single native token. DAOs are growing in popularity incredibly fast right now, and they have a decent chance of replacing centralized governance apps, investing groups, and video games. Remember that they have significant flaws which should be solved.